This is another target. You see, stone. This stone is like 1 inch big. I use this one because it will give dust, and after hitting it, this will rupture and burst. So the distance is around from here to extreme that end, where it will be, that is 10 meters. Oh yeah, you can take around 15, not 15, it's 17 meter, 18 meter. This is 18 meter. So let's take the pallets. Let me take few of it. Like 10. I'm going to let's keep the camera aside. Check one more time. This is the stone. I'm going to keep the camera here. You can see where the stone is. There. This is where I hit the stone. It is okay, you can see. So I fired 2 shots. One got little bit missed, but I will not say it is missed. Both were at the same target. First one missed because you can see you have to adjust the elevation and windage. So here it was 3, so that's why the pellet was going up. After that I adjusted to 2, then it hit. Means the target was exactly same, but due to the elevation it went little bit up. So